slogans being raised, Huzur says to the opponents that if you will continue in this, you will never be able to establish caliphate, even if your future generations will continue it. Until the day of judgment, your generation upon generation, even if they continue in their efforts, they will not succeed. Have fear of Allah. Do not take on this war with Allah, and try and protect and safeguard yourselves and your future generations. These things that I had said about the outsiders, their woe should not give us any satisfaction. It's only some sympathizers that they should have any sympathy. No, the jealousy, the fire of jealousy in which the enemy is burning, they try to harm, and where they see weak Ahmadis, they also attack. Today, those Ahmadis who are clinging in their strong bonds to Khilafat, it is essential that the members of the Jamaat, they should pray for each other as well, so that may Allah protect us from the mischief of the people who are jealous. This era where we are entering the new century, the second century of the Khilafat of Ahmadiyya, this is the era of victories of Ahmadiyyat, inshallah. I assure you that such doors, such venues are being opened up for the backing of this community, that every day that passes shows us closer to those days of victory. When I look at my own self, I am embarrassed that I am a humble man. I am worthless. I do not know that what was the wisdom of Allah the Almighty in appointing me to this station. I do not know that what was the wisdom of Allah in appointing me to this station, but I can say that with assurance from Allah the Almighty, that Allah is taking this Jamaat through progress and will continue the Jamaat to tread on the path of progress, inshallah. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Jai Ghulam Ahmad ki Jai. Khilafat-e Ahmadiyya Zindabad. Zindabad. Allahu Akbar. There is no one who in this era can stop the progress of the Jamaat Ahmadiyya, and it will not stop in the future either. The series of Khulafa will continue, and inshallah the Jamaat will continue on its path of progress. In the last 5 years, I have mentioned in my speeches of the Jalsa Salana, I have spoken of the progress of the Jamaat, and we will continue that. The progress had been destined and it has been decreed, and the promised Messiah ﷺ has spoken of it in his book The Will, and that will continue. And every such person who will remain bonded with Khilafat, he will progress in his righteous deeds and in his faith, and Allah will show him the bounties which every member of the Jamaat will receive, the bounties and blessings because of staying with the Jamaat and Allah the Almighty will also grant those people to the Jamaat who will continue to grow in their sincerity and who will offer every sacrifice for the sake of progress of the Jamaat, and Allah will fill their hearts with love for Caliphate. Allah is doing that. I see that every day. I see that in every nation, in every people. Recently you saw that in Africa, that how those people are filled with love. A long time ago, Allah the Almighty gave me that assurance that Allah in this era will continue to prepare faithful and pious servants. So step forward and assessing your own deeds, reflecting on your own works. Each one of you should work in a way that Allah the Almighty will make them as a drawn sword for the protection of Khilafat. Recently, a friend wrote to me that we are very happy that 100 years of Khilafat are reaching their accomplishment, but we are also worried that we have moved 100 years away from the time of the promised Messiah ﷺ. So we hope there won't be weaknesses in us. This is a rightful worry. But the promises of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, in the first place, the promise of Allah, the promise of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, the promises given to the promised Messiah ﷺ, we will continue to draw the fruits of those promises, inshallah. And with that, Huzur says, I think that this is also a great coincidence that one missionary from America sent me the words of a pledge that has been made previously, and he reminded me of that this pledge should be made until the strength of faith reaches out throughout time to the ends of the world. And I liked it that at the completion of the 100 years we should renew that pledge. So with a slight change, I want to do that here on this 100th year celebration. I want to take this pledge from you, from the Jamaat, so that our actions, in spite of being away in chronological order, we are not removed from the actual teaching, from the true teaching, from the directives of Allah and His Messenger. And every day that dawns, we are stronger. So I will take this pledge. So all of you who are here, everyone should stand up. All those people in the world, they should all stand up and repeat this pledge after me. All members, men, women, up and take this pledge. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Today